3 quick things to share with you today while my 5-year-old is at the park. First thing is that I tried raw beef for the first time, and it was so much less intimidating than I thought it would be. It's kind of like when I first tried sushi, which despite growing up in the Bay Area was probably in high school. And it was just super mellow and it tasted good. I'm super confident in the quality of the beef because it was from ButcherBox. And yeah, so I was just curious, and it's finally warm out here in Montana. And so I decided I was going to go ahead and try it. And it was super good. I'm definitely going to be keeping that in my diet as my fast food this summer. So the only problem that I can think would come from eating raw beef is that it's like socially not acceptable. And so where people can kind of get past me just to eat meat or eating meat and dairy and eggs or whatever, like I can't just kind of rock up to a dinner party with my bowl of raw beef. So I don't think I will probably ever go raw completely just because of the social aspect of it. So it's really kind of cool to know this is just like a legit option to have, especially in the summer when I'm not super wanting warm food. And in the winter, I definitely like the warmer foods and the stocks and the grilling or instant potting stuff. But in the summer, cool food is where it's at. So a nice, easy steak is pretty easy. Like you can't get any simpler and less processed than that. The second thing I wanted to tell you is that I finally finished my carnivore meal plan. And I know, like I just told you, you can eat raw steak. That's not on the carnivore meal plan. But for those of you that want recipes and you want something that looks more like cooking and something that like probably your family will eat too, I've got all that. We've got 3 meals a day, which you can combine some or kind of alter it depending on if you intermittent fast or not. Go ahead and download the sample if you want to see that before you buy. And then it's also super cheap on Kindle because it's not really conducive to reading on Kindle, but if you just want to scroll through it and see what all the recipes, you can buy that super cheap off of Amazon. So, and then the last thing is I am trying for a No Java June. If anybody would like to join me, especially you guys that are already adapted to carnivore and feeling great, again, because it's finally warming up here, I'm not feeling like I super need my hot coffee ritual in the morning, so I'm going to attempt to give it up in June, and I've done this before. It's just a matter of willpower, whether I'm willing to expend it or not. I can't do it. So if you would like to join me, I'm going to see how not drinking coffee in June goes. And I would love to have you come along with that as well. So thanks for joining me. I will be back soon posting more videos more often. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.